Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to make a Gmail account or Google account. So before starting, please subscribe my channel. So let's start. First you will have to open your Google. As you see a small icon on the top right, click on that. So now you will have to click again on this icon. Now you can see add another account, click on this right now. Now just wait for a few seconds. Here you can see create an account option. Now select as for myself. Here you can enter a custom name, but I am going to give my channel name. Now just click next. So here you will have to give your date of birth. So I am going to give my own date of birth. Here you will select your gender. And now click on next. Here you can select any Gmail. I am going to create my own Gmail. So here you will have to give a password, but remember to give a strong password. So after that, click on the next. So here you do not have to click immediately on yes I am in. It is because first you have to secure your account with phone number. So for adding phone number, click on the more options. Now click on add my phone number for account security only. Now click on done. Here you have to select first the country you are from. Since I am from Pakistan, so I select Pakistan as a country. So here you will put your mobile number. Click on next again. So enter here verification code that's into your mobile number. So I receive this code. Click on next again. So click on more option and read the policy carefully and then click on agree. So your account has been created now. To switch into the new account, so click again on the top right icon. Here you will see your new account, so switch into that account. So account has been created now. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel to get more latest videos.